Hey guys, welcome to Advices Media. This is Chetan and I'm going to talk about a new application for the Android devices. That's the MoboMarket Lite. This is one of the applications which would provide you a new platform for downloading and installing applications to your Android smartphone. There's usually the Google Play Store that's already available in most of the smartphones, but in the Chinese smartphones you won't find the Google Play Store or any of the Google Play Services apps. And that is where you would look for some alternatives for the Google Play Store. And for many, there's again an issue with the Play Store where they need the Google account to be used along with that, and people do have a problem with that sometimes. So for them, the perfect alternative would be the MoboMarket Lite, which we have already installed for you, and this is the MoboMarket Lite. This is an application which would provide you a complete platform and would be something similar to the Play Store, but the interface of this one is quite easier to understand and quite easier to use. So this is the MoboMarket Lite with this is the new lighter version, where you get to see the various categories such as hot, latest, and there are the other categories such as featured, must have, and you get to see loads of applications already available on this. And there are categories where you would see that whether the app is already installed on your smartphone or it has to be installed, and you can see that by understanding the run or the download options. So here the thing you need to understand is that it's not replicating the Play Store, and that's a actually good thing to see, because some of the apps which were a bit of favorite for many of the users, such as the Flappy Bird, has been removed from the Play Store, but it's already available on this app store. That's the MoboMarket Lite. And so that is one of the advantages. And there are most of the premium applications for the Android users, and surprisingly there are a few paid applications which are available for free on this market. So that's again a big advantage for the users. When you talk of the interface, there are categories such as apps. This is the apps category, where you see again the various apps listed under rankings, and as you can see, it could be the all apps, or it could be listed under entertainment, business, productivity, finance. These are the various categories where you can select one of them, and these are the different languages. That's the English and non-English languages. So you can easily differentiate that, and if at all you are a non-English user, or if you wanted some apps in the different languages, you can directly search for that here. And these are the apps based on the rankings. That's the week leader or the overall rankings. The other one would be the most downloaded, the top rated, newly released, or the trending. So based on all these parameters, you can check for the best apps to be downloaded. And there are applications such as the WhatsApp, the Clean Master, Yahoo Messenger. So everything that includes the social, gaming, the communicating, personalization, themes, and everything is available on the MoboMarket Lite. And this is a custom area where this would be sending you to the Mobo Live launcher. We had reviewed the Mobile Live launcher earlier and we liked it pretty much. So you can directly go for the Mobile Live themes or wallpapers from this section. So that is again good for you if at all you are using the Mobile Live launcher, or we would suggest you to start using that if at all you are using a smartphone which doesn't have a home screen, for example the Huawei devices or the Xiaomi smartphones. So now this is the settings area, where you get to see the internal and SD card storage that's available. So based on that you can understand whether some of the applications can be installed in your smartphone or not. And it's a section which would show you which apps are available for update, and this is something which you would be seeing on the Play Store. So this is again one of the feature which you won't miss if at all you are going to shift from the Play Store to a new app store. And is the download manager, which would show you which are the downloads being happening, or which were the apps downloaded from the MoboMarket. These are the installed applications which are categorized under the various alphabets, or you could again go based on the time, that the recently installed applications, and based on the app size. So based on the app size, that would be useful when you're trying to delete a few applications because of the memory size, and that's where you can directly go to this list and download and can delete the applications or uninstall the apps which you didn't want. Other features would be the connecting to the PC. This again includes the Wi-Fi option, and this is the Mobo Daemon application. So using that app you can directly go to the Mobo Daemon and connect to your PC, and you can control your smartphone from there. And is the QR code scanner using which you can try to scan the QR code of any particular application and download it from the MoboMarket. And the other settings would be the auto installation of the apps and deleting the APK file after the install. So this would be a good feature if at all you are trying to save your memory but keep the app installed, because the Android phone usually downloads the APK file and then installs it from there, but the APK doesn't get deleted. So that's where you can choose to keep the APK file for future use, or you can directly delete that file. And you can set the option to disable the images on the 2G or 3G network. This is useful when you are on the data network and didn't want to use much data while trying to search from apps. So that's where the images would be disabled. And so these were the features in the settings. And now let's go into one of the app pages. Let me go into the one of the applications, such as the Battery Doctor app. This is the actual app page where you get to see the app details, such as the ratings. That's a huge number of ratings, so you can understand how good the syncing of and how good the usage of the MoboMarket is, and the version of the application, the size and the language. And below that there are the screenshots, and there's a description of the application that is set by the developer of the application. And then there would be the options to contact their developer, and there are the app comments. So this comes under the category productivity, so that is all again shown here, and more from the developer. So this is where you can go and search for more applications made by the same developer. So this is a pretty good replacement for the Google Play Store if at all you are trying to install it due to some reasons where you don't want to use the Google Play Store. This is a separate section for the games, and as I said earlier, one of the advantages is that the games or the applications which were either removed or are not available on the Play Store right now would be available here. So you can always try to download the game from some other app stores. So this is one of those replacements. So this was all about the MoboMarket Lite, the Lite version of the MoboMarket that was recently re-announced. So do like this video and share it with your friends if at all you like the application, and do subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.